how to fix Battlefield 6, SecureBoot, and TPM 2.0 error. Here's what you want to do. You want to restart your PC, and while restarting your PC, you will spam the delete key on your keyboard. Now, it depends on the version of your motherboard, but most motherboards support the delete key, so you just want to restart your PC here, like I said, and spam the delete key. If you're not sure for the key combination of your BIOS, you can Google search for it. I'm on MSI Gigabyte also. You want to spam the delete key until you enter your BIOS. Now, once you enter the BIOS, you want to click on settings here. So once you click on settings, you will go first into the security tab. Then right here, you want to choose trusted computing. And here you will see TPM 2.0 device found. It should say that security device support, and want to set this to enable. Once you have done this, another thing that we have to do is go back into settings, go into advanced, Windows OS configuration. Now here, make sure BIOS CSMUEFI is set to UEFI. And SecureBoot, click on SecureBoot and make sure this is enabled. Once you do this, you can go back, and you want to click on save and exit, and you want to click on save changes, click yes. Now you can go back and exit your BIOS, and this should fix the error on Battlefield 6. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.